Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is May 9th, 2026. We've got this Hitachi 250LC, ZX250-5 excavator. I'm gonna give you a quick little walk around video, let you see this unit, and I'll describe more about it. So it's got a 40-inch bucket on it. All the cylinders seem to be pretty tight. From what we can see, no major leaking of any sort. 10'10" on the track width. All the rollers seem to be tightened up on them as well. All up, from what we can tell. Battery section in here. Looks clean. All looks good there. Got a little bit of a bend up here on the top cover. Looks pretty clean under there. Come over here, we'll open the side of the pump here. Let you see that. That panel got bent on something. But what's funny is the D-frame did not get bent, only right here. Anyway, this panel got bent. But the pump here, no major leaks to be seen from it. You know, it's a little dirty, but that's pretty normal. Okay, otherwise, let's get that on there. Hold on, let's crank this. Damn it. Crank that closed real quick. All right, this side of the undercarriage is real nice as well. A lot of good life left on the pads and the rail. The bushings are round. Please see the photos for that. Go ahead and get the VIN number here. 0383, lot number 1446. And then it's a -5N model. We'll come up here, show the engine compartment. All that. I've got it idling right now. Just want to note, runs clean. No blow by coming from the case at all. What that is you're just feeling it's just vibrating it off. Anyway, engine compartment runs pretty good. Pretty clean as well. Again, this is a vent back here, so it'll close, just needs a little help. Anyway, they added Ox hydraulics on this machine at some point. You can see the sticker there near the vent plate, but they added Ox hydraulics to it. All these cylinders are clean as well. No giant leaking or anything. So get up in the cab and either make an announcement about it. So lot number 1446 here. The mechanic stated that he needs John Deere or Hitachi to come out and do a regen on it. He doesn't have the software to do it himself. It's got to be done by an authorized dealer only. You have the dealer only software to do a regen on the filter system and let it regen and do its thing. Anyway, it operates as it's supposed to. It just doesn't operate at full speed. And I'm sure you guys all know about the D-rate on these. So that's what's going on there. That's what the buzzer noise is, etc. But the machine functions as it's supposed to though. Lot number 1446, 6,699.3 hours. Again, there's the signal for the exhaust. Just want to make that transparent. They're gonna probably get it fixed before you guys pick it up. You know, there's the two things there. That's all the same. If you rev it up, it revs up just fine, as you can hear. What's going on is it just won't go to full, it won't let the machine run at full speed. So 2-speed tracks and all that, guys. Heated seat, AC and heat, and the AC does seem to be working on it. I have the AC on cold right now, and it is getting cold in here. I've had the door open though, but it does feel cold coming out of the vents. As far as May 9th, 2026, it does. So without further ado, guys, you guys see the machine. Let me get you guys a quick little operations video. I'll even dig a little bit over here just so you can see it does still have power, and it does function as it's supposed to. They just need to get the, Hitachi or John Deere out here to do a regen and filter regen on a thing. All right, guys, on the Hitachi 250LC excavator, here we go. As you can see there, guys, it runs and operates as it should. It just needs to have Hitachi come out and fix do a regen on it for it. But besides that, pretty nice tight machine from what we can tell. All the pins need to be tight. It does need some shims there on the bucket and the pin there, but that's anything, you can click those on yourself. Not a big deal. Anyway, if you got any other questions, give us a call. It's located here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much. That's EQDEALZ. DEALZ. Thank you very much.